Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing the Ramair crossover pipe, which obviously goes from a turbo into the air filter. So let's get to unboxing this first. Hope you guys enjoy. Now, before we start this video, I want you to hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and let's get to it. Here is the box for the crossover pipe. So let's get to unboxing this. There you go. Right, first things first, obviously you get the hose, which I guess it goes from the turbo, which is this one here, into the filter all the other way around. I think this is going for the crossover pipe. And the bottom bit, the thinner bit, is to the turbo. Comes with the clamps, and then you have the beauty, which is the crossover pipe. I'm not sure if you can see that, but the texture on this is like, oh, so nice. Yeah, it's like a gritty texture. It's fantastic. Yeah, that's what you get. You get obviously the hose for the air feed, if I'm not mistaken. Goes here, 2 clips for that, and then you have the one that goes into the turbo. So yeah, let's get installing this bad boy. Hopefully makes it a little bit more sound in terms of the induction itself from the turbo. First things first, you want to remove this. It's quite simple, just pull and pull there, and then pull here. Perfect. You want to remove this hose bit here, just like push this two together, and then like that. And that goes onto the side, of course. You can twist it around, I guess, like that. Just want to just put it on the side, really. But yeah, so you have to remove this one here. Just twist. Pause, and then just want to loosen that. Just loosen that bit, which obviously holds the. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but down there, there's like a down there, like a little clamp there, so you can see that bit there. It's like a 10 mil, so you want to undo that, and that will come off. Scratch myself all over first. Oh shit! Look at this plastic's crap. Yeah, I can scratch my. So yeah, this gives us a little space to get in there. Look at that. As you can see, the hole is here. And that is the toe, which is the elbow. You can get these metal elbows if you want. I mean, it's quite cool already, so yeah. And you see the waist gear. Shit. Just like that. Once you put the clamp down, you'll see. I can't really show you what it looks like, but you'll see. You just tighten it with the hose clamps on the bottom there. You can see tighten it becomes as much as you can. So guys, that's a pain in the ass. Like, to get that chew down and tighten everything up, it is a pain in the ass, man. I'm just literally halfway, I haven't even put the bloody thing on yet. So guys, it was a bloody nightmare to get that tube in, that pipe, and it is a nightmare just to get your hands on it. It's pretty tight. I mean, obviously you can take this guard off, but you know, I'm not going to be doing all that shit. But you can do. It makes it easier for you guys to maneuver, get your hands down there. But yeah, I would recommend taking this out. But yeah, if you're me, yeah, just do that. Can't scratch it. Otherwise, probably sliding that bit first, and then pushing it down like that. After all this hard work, scratching stuff, it is quite tight down there. So yeah, I'd say just take this out. But yeah, I managed to do it. It's all secure. Everything's back in. It's all there. So all you have to do now is get your card if you have it, and it should just be straight in. Done. Perfect. All done. Now let's hear it. For you guys to see. So guys, all finished. Sounds amazing. Looks good. It's compared to that plastic stuff. Like I would say, get rid of it. This is not expensive. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Wasn't expensive at all. So go check it out. It was Ramair crossover pipe. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And there's many more to come. You got this thing coming. See, I can't tell you what it is, but you're gonna like it, and you'll be like, "Whoa, that looks good." So yeah, wait till next video. Peace.
Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out.